Hey guys, welcome to another breakdown of the market for the last week of August, right? Last week of August. Um, August has been a very great month for us so far. Over 700 pips collected so far. Um, and we are really getting close to our monthly target of 1,000 points. Now, this hasn't happened in a while because because due to a lot of extenuating circumstances, which I wouldn't go into. But straight to the point, what are we seeing here? DXY giving us a lot of strength all of last week. You can see that over here highlighted. DXY there, very strong. U.S. economy getting out of Afghanistan. Biden trying to fix things, and as traders, we trade. We had this upward push. Let me just shut it down a bit. We had a predominant downtrend, right? Predominant downtrend line that was broken. You can see it in yellow here. It was broken last week, and this is the structure we have right now. And this market literally just pushing through resistance points. So we have another resistance zone around here. Very strong resistance zone based on what happened here previously. But this market is already crushing it. What do I expect? This is a weekly chart. First of all, I'll scale down and I'll give you my take on a 1 hour or an hourly or a chart on a lower time frame. What am I seeing? This is what I have here on the 1 hour chart. I'm going to mark out the whole of this area, right? The whole of this area. Everything. Basically, fixed ranges there. Oh, I forgot fixed ranges don't go with DXY. But whatever the case may be, this is what I'm seeing. We had a big push here last week. We made so much money on our pairs based on this strength. And now I'm seeing 23.6 kind of retracement level, right? So if it holds and bounces back up and bridges the 93,734 zone, remember guys, 93,735, sorry, 93,735, then expect a bigger push. So this is the zone you should be looking at. What am I expecting? This is my expectation. Lots of strength in the dollar. This is my expectation for this week. I won't lie to you guys. I'm just trying to get the tool. Nope, it's not here. Here it is, the path tool. So I'm expecting this market to bounce, retest a bit, then just continue going back up there. So look at this area, 93,735. Looking at dollar CAD, another pair that I trade a lot. So looking at dollar CAD, I mean, it's been doing the exact same thing. Understand, dollar index is strong, meaning the dollar economy is growing and the dollar pairs are doing well as well. Cleaning it up a little bit for you guys. What do I see here? Again, daily chart, strong downtrend line there that was broken. All right, that was broken. Market lost a little bit of liquidity on Friday. That's why we had this inverted pin bar. Doesn't mean anything. Inverted pin bars come as a result of people cashing out, right? They come as a result of the people who call the shots in the market taking out their money from the market. So if they take out the money from the market in a bullish market, obviously sellers will remain in the market. But that doesn't mean anything. I'm still very bullish on this market. Dollar is gaining strength, it's getting more powerful. I'll be looking at this area, and if I use my fibs there, it's best. I mean, it's not that it's best. It is ideal. If you listen to me, look at me. It is ideal to use fibs on trending markets, because when the market is trending like that, and it makes a push there, and it moves temporarily in the opposite direction, you want to see by how much, right, it's going to move in the opposite direction before resuming its trend. So what am I seeing here for this market? Little structure there, little structure here, This is the structure, and I am still bullish in this market, right? So this market could do two things, right? It could do two things this week. Once it opens, it could push here, retest, and push like this a little bit, or we could just come out swinging, like opening price could be somewhere around there, retest, and then it continues. So, but overall, I'm still very, very bullish in this market, and I give you guys the levels to look at. You should look at 1.29575 and 1.28116. Next market that I like looking at with you guys, EURUSD. EURUSD has been very, very weak. It's been very, very weak. Daily chart there. As a trader, what you like to do is at every single time you want to update your trend, right? You want to look at the bigger time frame and see where the market is going. So daily time frame there, that is the trend. I've had this trend line for a couple of weeks now. Market has actually broken down. Scaling it down, 1 hour time frame. What am I seeing? Do I have a structure there? Yes, looks like I have a structure. I'm just going to go ahead and update that structure. I'm still extremely bearish in this market, so this is my expectation. First of all, these are the zones you should be looking out for. 1.16647, right? So you're looking at 1.16647 right there, this zone. And I expect this market to do this. I expect the market to break down, retest, and then just resume that downward push based on the dollar strength that we're seeing. Of course, we're in a zone of consolidation right now, because again on Friday, people who were selling the euro cashed out, and little buyers were left, so they pushed the market up a little bit. But I expect the market to drop again this coming week. Pound USD, another pair that I trade a lot. We made tons of money. You can see my zones over here. Everything was going good for us. Collected lots of points in this market. What do I expect? After this big move, understand each time the market makes a big move, like from here to here. Show you guys. Market just goes boom, right? After that big move, always expect consolidation. So the market is actually consolidating right now. Again, daily time frame for you guys over there. You see the trend, everything being respected. We are in a strong support zone right now. This has been cleared. We're in a strong support zone right now, around here. Strong support zone. So what do I expect? I expect the market to bounce around a little bit before making this move sometime this week. So straight to the 1 hour time frame, I give you guys the levels that I'm seeing. If I look at this zone, this is the zone I'm looking at. I'm looking at this zone. Market is weak. What do I expect? I expect this market to break out, retest, and continue that direction. So extremely bearish in this market, and this is the zone you should be looking at: 1.36014 and 1.36435. And guys, if I just give you guys a snapshot of the calendar, again, extremely busy week on the calendar. A lot's going to be happening from Monday through to Friday. So you guys only trade according to your market confirmation and trust your strategy. People who want to learn how to trade like me, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp. Feel free to contact me on social media, and of course, get more information on how you can subscribe to one of my services or one of my courses. You must not learn from me. You must not learn how to trade from me, but learn from someone. All right. Trading is very, very risky. You can lose your fortune there. It's good to learn and understand where you're going. Without further ado, I wish everyone a happy trading week. Take care. Goodbye.